Hi guys, today we're going to be making a homemade hand sanitizer. Before I get started, I wanted to mention I am doing a giveaway for a $100 gift card really soon once I reach 1,000 subscribers, so please check out the rules down below and at the end of the video. Now if you're watching this, I'm sure you've tried to buy some hand sanitizer and like me, you weren't able to find any since they're currently sold out due to the coronavirus outbreak. So instead I decided to make some at home with some items I keep on hand in my medicine cabinet. First, you'll need some rubbing alcohol. Today I'm using a 91% concentration, but if you don't have that on hand, you can go as low as 70%, but you don't want to go any lower than that. Per the CDC, alcohol solutions with at least a 70% concentration are effective for disinfecting. But of course, the higher the concentration you can find, the better. Next, you're going to need some aloe vera gel. I'm using the Fruit of the Earth 100% pure aloe vera gel. The next ingredient is optional, but I like to add lemon essential oil to add some scent, and also because lemon essential oil is known to have antiseptic and disinfectant properties. You can also use peppermint oil, tea tree oil, or any essential oil you like really. And last, you will need an empty squeeze container to hold the hand sanitizer. I got mine from the travel section at Walmart for $1. If you have an old empty hand sanitizer bottle, you can also use that, just make sure it's clean and dry. And let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is use a 1/3 of a cup and measure out our aloe vera and place it into our mixing cup. If you have a mixing cup or bowl with a spout, it will make it easier to pour later when we are finished. Next, using the same 1/3 measuring cup, we're going to measure out 2/3 a cup, so 2 of the measuring cups, and pour it into our mixing cup. Then you want to mix the two together very well. Next, we will be adding the essential oil. Again, I'm using the lemon essential oil, and I'm going to be placing about 15 drops into the mixing cup and then stirring everything well. At this point, you want to check the consistency of your product. If you feel it's a bit watery, then add a little more aloe vera. If you feel it's too thick, then add a little alcohol. This can vary depending on the concentration of alcohol you use and the different brands of aloe vera. In my case, I found mine to be a little too watery, so I added a couple spoons of aloe vera and mixed well. So once you have it at a good consistency, we're going to go ahead and pour out our hand sanitizer into the bottle. Now I'm going to squirt some out into my hand to make sure it feels right. You'll notice this doesn't dry out your hands since you're using 100% pure aloe vera, and you'll catch a hint of the lemon essential oil once you rub it into your hands. And that's it, our hand sanitizer is ready. Now for the giveaway. The giveaway will be for a $100 gift card of your choice for either Amazon, Walmart, or Target. And here are the rules. 1. You must be subscribed to my channel. 2. Like this video. 3. Comment down below what you are doing to be prepared for the coronavirus. And 4. For a bonus entry, refer someone from your friends or family to the giveaway and make sure they mention your name when they leave a comment. And that's it. Good luck everybody. Hope you all enjoyed my video and found it helpful, and stay safe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.